Stop! Before you spend another dollar on mold removal, watch this. See this black mold covering my bathroom wall? In exactly 15 minutes, using two things you probably already have in your kitchen, I'm going to make it completely disappear. No bleach, no expensive cleaners, just two natural ingredients. And I'm going to prove it works right here, right now. Most people think removing mold requires harsh chemicals or calling an expensive professional. But here's what they don't tell you. There's a powerful natural solution that works just as effectively, costs practically nothing, and you can make it in under 5 minutes. I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. But first, let's talk about why this is so important. Mold isn't just ugly. It's genuinely dangerous. Those black spots on your walls are releasing microscopic spores into the air you breathe every single day. These spores can trigger constant sneezing and coughing, severe allergic reactions, breathing difficulties, especially for children and elderly people, and long-term exposure. That can lead to even more serious respiratory problems. Plus, mold doesn't just affect your health. It actively eats away at your walls, damages your furniture, and leaves that distinctive musty smell that never seems to go away. Mold loves rooms with high humidity and poor air circulation. When warm, moist air hits cold surfaces, like walls or windows, condensation forms. And that moisture? That's mold's favorite breeding ground. Before I show you the remedy, let me share 3 quick prevention tips that most people ignore. Number 1, stop drying laundry indoors. I know it's convenient, but every time you hang wet clothes inside, you're pumping moisture into your home and basically inviting mold to move in. Dry your laundry outside or in a well-ventilated space. Number 2, pull your furniture away from the walls. Even just a few centimeters makes a huge difference. When furniture sits flush against walls, it blocks airflow and traps moisture, creating the perfect mold habitat behind your couch or wardrobe. Number 3, ventilate regularly. Open your windows for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day, even in winter. This simple habit dramatically reduces indoor humidity and improves air quality. Now, here's the natural remedy that actually works. You'll need just 3 things: tea tree oil, white vinegar, the kind you use for cooking, and hot water. Here's what you do. Start with 200 milliliters of hot water. Add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. Now, why tea tree oil? Because it contains powerful natural antifungal and antibacterial compounds that don't just clean the surface. They actually destroy mold spores at their source. It prevents regrowth even in damp areas, and it neutralizes that awful musty smell, all without a single harsh chemical. Stir the mixture to mix it well. Next, add 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar's natural acidity is lethal to mold spores. It breaks down their structure, prevents them from growing back, and disinfects the entire surface. Finally, pour your mixture into a spray bottle. Now comes the satisfying part. Spray your solution directly onto the moldy area. Make sure you cover it completely. Then, and this is important, leave it to work for 15 minutes. Don't wipe it immediately. Let those natural compounds do their job. After 15 minutes, take a dry cloth and wipe the area clean. Look at that difference. If you're dealing with stubborn mold, you can repeat the process. One safety tip: wear a protective mask while you're cleaning to avoid breathing in disturbed mold spores. Want to prevent mold from coming back? Here's a brilliant trick. Use regular table salt or rice as a natural dehumidifier. Professional dehumidifiers can be expensive, but salt and rice absorb moisture just as effectively. Simply place bowls of salt or rice in humid areas: bathrooms, closets, corners where air doesn't circulate well. Replace them every few weeks, and you'll notice a dramatic difference in humidity levels. There you have it. No expensive products, no toxic chemicals. Just 2 natural ingredients that actually work. If this video helped you, please share it with your friends and family. Mold is one of those problems that affects almost everyone, and most people don't know there's such a simple solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on how to cut heating bills instantly.